I got this door lock sent to me to try out and give my honest opinion. So let's take this thing out of the box, install it, see how well it works. All right, so out of the box we have, this is the latch. This is the latch adapter for the wall. We got the handles. These are some keys that help you open the door with just a swipe of the card. Here's a set of physical keys, the main pin that goes through the two handles, a set of screws to get it installed, a latch cover, a warranty card, and the manual. So it's definitely got a lot of features to it. Definitely recommend reading the manual, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing installed and let you check it out. I put this lock on my closet because there's a lot of things in there I just don't want people messing with. I did program my fingerprint and I got the keys programmed and everything else. So let me just show you how this works. So you can come here and turn the door handle and it's not going to let you in, right? But when you load the app, there's all kinds of cool things you can do with the app. Read the manual, tells you exactly where to go, get the app, load it up, it's awesome. But I've already went in and programmed my fingerprint, so let's try that. And there it is. So that's one way to get in. Now, there also has these little key cards that come with it. These little, I don't know, I guess they're RFID or something like that. But you program these using the app on your phone, and it tells you to touch it to the lock and get it programmed. So I'll program this now, and there, if you look at the lock, there's these little like wave looking things. So the number 4, you just put that there. Now that opened up the door. Then also I programmed in a code. So if I want to get in, I just did a test code. You can just touch that. It goes to red 1111 pound. Now you can get in. Don't think you're coming to my house and getting in my closet because I'm changing that code. Probably to something more secure like 1 2 3 4 5. But if all else fails and for some reason none of this stuff's working, it still comes with a set of keys. That there's a little keyhole right down here, and you put the key in and you twist it, and then you can turn the door lock. So it has a lot of cool ways to get in. Seems pretty secure. It actually seems pretty sturdy too, so I don't think it's going to be much of an issue with someone trying to break it. And there's a little micro USB port right up here, and if the batteries ever die, you can just plug in like a power bank that's micro USB, plug it in there, and then you can operate it that way too. So that will provide it power. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.